Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the paper roses. I'm using little red cocktail napkins, 2 of them. Open them up, take your middle finger, put it in the middle there, and just wrap it around your fingers. I use 3 because of the size of my fingers, but you can use any fingers, how many you want. Wrap it around, smooth it out a little bit, and right under your fingers, pinch it and twist it. I'm holding my fingers like this inside, so it gets a nice little round thing. You start twisting it and pinching it, and twist from the top, pinch from the bottom. Let's just keep going like that until you get about halfway down the end of halfway down the napkin. You take up one of the corners and bring it up, and right where you left off, you start twisting again. Just pinch and twist. Make it nice and tight. All the way down to the end. Okay. There you go. And you just fold the leaf down. This is a big leaf, so I'm going to give it a stem. And we'll do it the same way. Just twist and pinch so it'll stay in place. There you go. Now up here on the top, you take the corners and pull them down so you make little petals. See, there's the other one. Pull it down. And right here where it's twist, you grab it with your thumb and your finger and just give it a twist and push down on the napkin. Give it a nice shape to the rose. Straighten up the leaf. Okay, you take the second one napkin, fold it diagonally from corner to corner. Just go up to about an inch to the stem. Put that on there. And just twist and pinch some more. Make it nice and tight. And then when you finish, you just spread that out. Open it up. And there is your rose. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.